Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, c.taylormarie. If you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm bringing back another hair tutorial using my hair vendor that I am going to use to go ahead and launch my new business. I'll go ahead and talk about that more later on into the video. But just getting into the hair itself, this is what the hair is looking like. I did go ahead and I constructed my wig off camera, of course. I promise I will post a video shortly, soon, let me not say shortly, soon on how I go ahead and construct my wigs. But I just want to go ahead and give you guys just a preview on the hair I'll be using to basically launch my company. The next couple of videos will be all about this hair that I'm using to launch my company. You guys, just showing you guys the style, the quality, and just all the different things that you can do with it. This is going to be a body wave. I am going ahead and working with my usual, which is a 16, 18, and a 20 inch with a 14-inch frontal. Side piece about the frontal, this is an HD lace frontal. I never did HD lace on my channel. I never even did HD lace on myself. So this is my first time using HD lace, and let me tell you guys, it might be more expensive, but I am not going back. This melted beautifully, it laid down, it blended, never going back. And for you guys who are new to the whole frontal and lace thing, there are 4 types of lace. There is Swiss lace, HD lace, transparent lace, and brown lace. Now, transparent lace and brown lace are more affordable to find, but you have to do more work to kind of blend them in and make them look more natural. Where Swiss lace and HD lace are more expensive because they already look so natural and people don't have to do so much work and they blend so easily. HD lace has a very thin lace, which makes it easy to melt down. However, it's very delicate lace, so you want to work with it very delicately. So like I said, this is what it's looking like straight out of the box. I did go ahead and I sprayed my lace with my Sally Hansen self spray on tanner, but I did not like how that looked, so I did go ahead and I washed it out, and later on I did go ahead and bleach it. And this is basically the end result after I bleached it. I cut my lace and then I did a little plucking to it. I will go ahead and let you guys know I did over bleach this one side a little bit, so you guys can see that it looks a little more blonde. I could go ahead and take some black dye to dye it, but it didn't bother me like that, so I left it alone. Another method I am trying in this video, you guys, and I had got this from a couple of YouTubers, is basically when you line up your lace where it wants to be on your forehead, and you take a eyeliner pencil, one that's easy to wipe off, and you kind of just do a light trace to go ahead and mark where you want to put that glue. So basically everything behind that line is okay for me to put glue at, because I have a problem sometimes putting glue too far up and then my lace doesn't lay right and I have a whole bunch of excess glue that I have to wipe off and do all this other stuff with. That's too much work. So I definitely recommend this line method if you're not good at eyeballing exactly where you need your glue to be at. And then of course, you guys, once I go ahead and I wipe off any excess glue that I might do have, which is only a little bit, it takes that line right off with some alcohol. So you don't want to use a hard color a hard eyeliner pencil that you need like makeup remover or nothing for. Just something that you can wipe off with a quick alcohol wipe and it's done. But yeah, this is basically what it's looking like, you guys. Like I said, I did go ahead and I bleached my knots. This is an HD frontal. I did go ahead and do my ball cap method off camera. If you want to see how the ball cap method is done, go ahead and of course let me know and I will do an updated ball cap method. Not much has changed other than the foundation I use, so I might just go ahead and post an updated one coming soon, so stay tuned for that, of course, you guys. But this is basically what the hair is looking like. Like I said, this is Brazilian Remy hair. This is grade 10A, which is the best grade you can get. It is more expensive, but I say it's worth it because I love this hair. I wore this wig for about 3 weeks. I shampooed it weekly and it stayed up, it kept up, it held up amazing. I still wear the wig to this day. I also went ahead and I was able to, there was no shedding, there was no tangling. Like I said, I wore this hair for 3 weeks. I got multiple compliments on it. The lace itself, like I said, it is HD lace. This is overall just a good hair vendor and something I'm really ready to launch my business with. So basically, getting into my business, you guys, I have a logo that is already created. If you follow me on Facebook, you see my logo all the time because it is my cover photo on my Facebook. And my company is called Yass Beauty. Yes, girl, yes. So Yass Beauty is gonna be a hair company. I'm gonna basically start selling wigs, bundles. You can buy frontals, you can buy things like that. I'm gonna do lashes because I love my lashes. And I just want to say, it's funny, I was literally just talking to my friend about this. Within the last year, I had gotten into lashes and wigs. I was the girl who was like, no mom, natural. Like, natural hair, no mom, no makeup, no mom. Like, that was me. Like, only thing I had was nails. But literally 2019 hit, and here you go, C.Taylor-Marie at it again, you guys. Yes. So I am going to start a business, you guys. I found my hair vendor. I've been looking for a hair vendor since the beginning of this year. It took me a year to find it. And I am in love. Like I said, this hair quality is amazing. There's no tangling. There's no shedding. HD lace. Of course, you don't have to get an HD lace if you don't want to spend the extra money. I'll have other laces available. But this is basically what my HD lace is looking like. It melted beautifully. And this is just the hair vendor I'm going to go with. I also have a lash vendor. These lashes are not from my lash vendor. These are actually drugstore lashes that I got at my local drugstore. Because, you know, they have some good lashes too. But I will start showing you guys videos and pictures of the lashes I will be working with. But basically, guys, like I said, this is just a company that I have out of nowhere. Like, I've always been into hair. Hair has always been my passion. Out of nowhere, I was just like, Mom, I need to start a hair business. Like, this needs to be me. This YouTube thing and this hair business needs to be me. I love wigs. I love creating wigs. I love playing with wigs. I like putting them on. I like styling them. So why not go ahead and make me a hair company, you know, where I can do wigs, sell wigs, style wigs. Basically what I want to do. So this is basically the start of it, you guys. Like I said, it is called Yass Beauty. I plan to launch it sometime next year, hopefully. This is, like I said, this is just a preview of the hair so you guys can get a taste of it. I'll start showing you guys my lashes and my wigs. I'm going to get my website together. All that good information and stuff like that, you guys. So go ahead and please stay tuned. Follow this journey with me. Be ready for next year where you guys are going to see Yass Beauty come to life. You're going to start being able to purchase stuff like that. I already get offers of asking me stuff like that. I do like a little quick sell a wig here, apply a wig there, stuff like that. But with my work schedule, I am super busy. So hopefully this company takes off faster so that I don't have to do as work and I can focus more on it. But just stay tuned for it, you guys. Like I said, I can't wait. I am excited. This hair vendor is everything to me. I did try a couple of hair vendors, but this is the one I am sticking with. As you guys can see, the quality of it was amazing. Straight out, I just did a quick straightening on it, and I am going to show you guys what it looked like curled real quick. One thing I do want to mention that I loved about this hair bender the most is I was able to flip back and forth between straight and curled hair. Like, that is straightened super easily, it curled super easy. I did not need much heat on it. It actually didn't burn. I sprayed it with a little heat protector, and it was easy to operate. So that's one thing I always want to make sure I do look for when it comes to hair as well. And in my next video, you guys are going to see, well, not my next video, but a video coming soon, you guys are going to see what it looks like when I put bleach on it and bleach it to a perfect 613. So go ahead and make sure you stay tuned for that one, of course. Of course, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. Leave any videos that you guys might want to see. Of course, check out my social medias and get ready to start purchasing. Like I said, I have been doing little purchases, sales and dues here and there. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and make sure you DM me, of course. If you want to purchase and test a wig, I will be needing models and everything like that. So go ahead and make sure you message me about that one too. I will be looking for that at the start of next year, you guys. But like I said, go ahead and always make sure you subscribe, like, comment. This is once again your girl C.Taylor-Marie showing you my new hair bender, and I am ready to launch my business, Yass Beauty. So go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media. I'll put all details down below. And let's just finish out this hair. Once again, beauty, this is the new hair vendor that I'm going to be using to launch my business, Yass Beauty. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.